Hi and welcome, I am here today with Realme 8 Pro and I'll be showing you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. So first, you have to go to the photo that you'd like to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Let's go to photos. Now these photos, library, download, and let's say that we would like to set this fox as our lock screen wallpaper. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, choose use as, wallpaper, come on. Now tap on set as and set as lock screen wallpaper. Okay, now if we lock our Realme 8 Pro and try to unlock it, as you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.